I decided to start our vlog of the day taking a break on these stairs we're going up.
Good morning, everyone. This is what happens when you take the wrong path.
We're trying to get to the famous Cinque Terre.
And we made it up 10 stairs.
Yep.
Needed a break.
Stay tuned. Drew says it's like Narnia.
What are you trying to... It's not like Narnia.
Update, we made it to this street and then we figured out we have to go up this too. Just to get to the ferry to get to our hike. So this is Portovenere. Super colorful. And we're trying to get on a ferry, but it might be closed. It's all in a different language.
Got on the ferry, let's go.
Good news. It's not closed. The entire town is one hill. Smile. Good. Do you like yours?
Yep.
Well, we came to this place in hopes of walking to the next city over there on a hike, but
It's closed. Don't know why.
lots of things are closed when we're trying to do them. But we explored the town. It was cute. Had food and gelato.
Saw one of the 5 cities instead of...
Yes, we saw un terra instead of Cinque Terre. But that's okay.
Might come back.
It was beautiful anyway.
Good wife doing laundry.
Fun fact,
What's the fun fact?
nobody has dryers.
No.
So we're doing it the old-fashioned way.
Clotheslining it up.
Happy Sunday.
Well, that one goes to Portovenere. That stop. Remember that.
Remember the bus stops. We don't know what we're doing.
Nope.
We are in Grazie. No, La Spezia. And we're walking to the train station to go to another part of the Cinque Terre.
Part that we didn't get to go to yesterday because the middle was blocked. So we're just going to take a train to the end.
And sweat.
We're going to sweat a lot.
It's nice though. It's a nice day. Our videos don't do justice just how much walking we do.
Isn't that right?
So we had to take a bus here and then we have to walk at least a mile just to get to the train station.
Wow, it's going to be like 30 minutes at least.
And then we hike. Perks of backpacking with no car. town of Monterosa. The food of the day is this fish ravioli. And it looks amazing. And this view is amazing too. There's a lot of stairs. Stairs. I'm sweating. We're doing it. We were all the way down there. We parked this way. We can see our end goal, the next city of the Cinque Terre.
We have walked a long way. And there's where we started.
And we're not done yet. Look at the next city. Yay!
Made it.
Almost. We made it. He's over it. So we just got back from Cinque Terre, and a couple things. If you ever come to Italy and go to Cinque Terre and you want to hike, don't wear jeans. Even if you think it's gonna be cooler because it's April, don't wear jeans. There was a lot of stairs on the hike we did, and there was 4 more hikes after that, and we only did 1, and it took about 2 hours, but it was beautiful. Do you have any advice for the fans?
Yeah, don't wear jeans. It is definitely harder than I thought it was gonna be.
It's very pretty. So we saw 3 out of the 5 cities, which means Cinque Terre. 5 cities. Vernazza, my man. In Monterosso. My Uncle Kent's friend, Andrea, who lives here, just stopped by and gave us this giant thing that looks like a pancake. And it's a specialty of this area, and it literally is called pancake pasta in English anyway. So we're gonna try it out. Also, the area is known for pesto. I think they were the first to make pesto. So it's gonna be a pesto pasta.
But do not walk in God and city of man. Aye.